The way in which your customers are searching online has changed. They're searching for answers to their questions or solutions to their problems, and this should be a central theme to your marketing activity online. I'm Rich, Head of Digital here at New Icon. We have a team of experts in search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, conversion rate optimization, and social media advertising. And through drawing upon the expertise of our in-house design and development teams, we're ideally placed to deliver results you need to grow your business online. Digital marketing shouldn't have to be complicated. Our free review can take you through how to overcome your challenges and grow your visibility online. So if you'd like to know more, please get in touch below and let us help take your business to the next level online.